Every single time that I have used this in the past, it's literally taking me to a resort where I'm just chilling by the pool, sipping on my strawberry milkshake. It's that good. This is how the palette looks like from the inside. It's a very pastel sort of a palette. The colors are very wearable. I have one of my favorite products. This is my Bachpan Ka Pyar and मैं इसको भूल ही नहीं. I absolutely love the consistency, I love the texture, and I love how it feels on the skin. I just cannot wait to apply this on my lips. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing an Amazon haul. I recently shopped for a bunch of products from Amazon and I haven't even unboxed them yet. I'm so excited to open these packages. You know, जब online shopping करते हो, when the products finally arrive and you finally open the boxes, the excitement level that you have, that's exactly what's going on in my brains right now. I have a couple of large boxes, small boxes, and also so I have a bunch of stuff in here, and yeah, let's just unbox all of this together. So I'm gonna start with the small packages first. Let's quickly unbox them. The first product in here is this Ac Mist Moisturizing Cream Gel. This is an oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer for oily skin and for acne-prone skin. Now, since the winters are approaching, I really needed a good moisturizer for my face, and I think this is going to do the job for me. I'm going to try and test this out, and in case if this works out for my acne-prone skin, I'm definitely going to include it in one of my acne-related videos. Next up, I got a product from N. This is their Pucker Hydrating Lip Mask with Hyaluronic Acid. This is my first ever purchase from N. I am really excited to try this out. This is how the inner packaging looks like. This is how the lip balm looks like. I have a lipstick on, otherwise I would have really tried this one. It smells really nice. Next up, I got this Color Bar Blended Nude Beauty Sponge, and that is how it looks like. It's very soft and it's very squishy. I've heard a lot of good things about these Color Bar sponges, and I really wanted to try them out because they are so affordable. They are much more affordable than the pack sponges. So yeah, if you're looking for a good beauty blender, this is the one that you can definitely try out. I'm definitely going to use this in my upcoming makeup videos. Next, I got this Swiss Beauty 2-in-1 Eyebrow and Gel Eyeliner. That is how the inner packaging looks like, and it also comes with this two-sided brush. I absolutely love the packaging of this. It's got the eyebrow product right here, and once you open the tub, it's got the gel eyeliner. So it's a 2-in-1 product, very travel friendly, very convenient, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to try this. Next, I got this pack of 6 Hip Hop Cleansing Charcoal Nose Strips. That's how each sachet looks like, and it claims to remove blackheads, whiteheads, and excessive oils. I have used these nose strips in the past, and they really work in getting rid of your blackheads and whiteheads very effectively from your nose. So if blackheads and whiteheads is a concern for you, you can definitely try these out. I'm gonna open the tiny boxes now. They apply so much of tape, I just don't know where to cut it from. I love how Amazon doesn't use plastic anymore to protect the products. They use paper, which is a very good step for the environment. So the next product that I got is this Juicy Chemistry Damask Rose and Coffee Organic Under Eye Cream. That's how the under eye cream looks like, and once I open it, that's the actual product in there. It's in the form of a balm, and it's very hydrating. It smells really nice and relaxing. Yeah, and yeah, the application part is also really smooth. Next up, this is one product that I'm most excited about. So these are Miniso Compressed Mask, and that is how they look like. It comes in a pack of 2. And basically these are compressed sheet masks. So each package contains 30 pieces, and you've got to buy a pack of 2, so you have 60 pieces in here. And how you're supposed to use them is that you're supposed to prepare your own serum. So you can mix different serums of your choice. You can also add some active ingredients wale serums in there, or some essential oils in there, whatever you want. Or you can DIY something, maybe with milk and rose water and all of that. You can create any sort of a serum texture wala serum, and you're supposed to place this inside the serum, and it's going to absorb all of the serum, and then you're supposed to open this and apply it on your face. So I'm going to be making a couple of videos on how to use these and how to prepare your own DIY serums at home, so keep an eye out for that on my Instagram handle. Again, it's got that paper wala packaging which I really like. And next up we have an eyeshadow palette. So this is Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in the shade Coral Sunset. That is how the palette looks like from the inside. It's a very pastel sort of a palette. The colors are very wearable, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to use this to create some amazing makeup looks. Next, this is my first ever product from the Earth Rhythm. This is their lip and cheek tint. That is how the bottle looks like from the inside, and I'm so excited to try this out. I'm quickly going to do a swatch. Let's blend this. It's such a pretty color. Can you see that? It's such a gorgeous looking natural color. I'm not really sure which shade this is because it's not really mentioned anywhere on the bottle or on the packaging. But I believe they only have 3 shades, so this is like the pink one. And finally, the last box, the biggest box that I'm super excited about. This has a lot of products here, so let's quickly dig into them. So here's another product that I got from the Earth Rhythm. This is their lip mask, which contains beetroot extract and pomegranate flower, and that is how the inner packaging looks like. This is one of the most hyped products from Earth Rhythm, and I was really looking forward to try this out. So I'm just gonna swatch this on my hand to see like how hydrating it is. Oh my god, it's so hydrating. It's so smooth. It's like an oil in the form of a gel. Like, I don't know how to describe this, but it's damn hydrating, and it smells like pomegranates. Oh my god, I absolutely love the consistency, I love the texture, and I love how it feels on the skin. I just cannot wait to apply this on my lips. Next up, I got this pack of fake nails. These contain 24 French manicure nails. That is how the nails look like. There's this mini filer, the manicure stick, and the gel glue. The quality of the nails seem okay, like they're good for the price. I just got this for around 300 rupees, and they're stick-on nails, so I'm gonna like try them on my nails and see how they look, and probably post a picture or a story on Instagram and show you how they look. And next up, I have one of my favorite products. This is my Bachpan Ka Pyar and Main Isko Bhuli Nahi. This is Enchanter perfumed shower gel in the variant Romantic. It's a fragrance infused shower gel, and oh my god, the fragrance is so good. It's a very strong, a very powerful fragrance, but every single time that I have used this in the past, it's literally taking me to a resort where I'm just chilling by the pool, sipping on my strawberry milkshake. It's that good. So if you like perfumed fragrance wale shower gels, then you should definitely try this one out. The fragrance is amazing. Enchanter powders also smell like the talcum powders. They also smell really good. So Enchanter is one brand that you should definitely try out if you like fragrance in your bath and body products. So yeah, those are all of the products that I shopped for from Amazon, and I highly recommend you check each and every product out. All of the links to purchase them are mentioned in the description box below. I am so happy with each and every purchase. I'm so happy with the way these products came in. None of them were damaged, none of them were defective or broken or anything like that. They came in very safely, and yeah, I'm so happy with each and every item. I just cannot wait to use them and share them with you guys. So yeah, with that I come to an end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, or if you enjoyed watching it, please give it a big fat thumbs up. Also let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more hauls, because I've already placed more orders of beauty products, fashion products, everything. So if you want to see more hauls like this, I would definitely love to make more for y'all. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.